Ever turn a video down to 1%, only to find it still too loud? Ever find a video that's way too quiet, while the rest of your browser sounds fine? Meet VolumeSilencer. It puts precise page volume and tab mute controls directly on the page, without turning down your whole computer. Open the compact widget from the toolbar, or with a keyboard shortcut. When 1% is still too much, stealth mode goes lower. Choose exact levels from 0 to 1% in 0.05% steps. For everyday listening, normal mode gives you the familiar 0 to 100% range, quick presets, and one-click tab mute. What if your video is still too quiet? For compatible players, blunt mode can amplify it locally, up to 500%. Trying to focus on just one tab? Open Advanced. Keep this tab audible and quiet the rest, or silence the whole window, then restore every tab to the state it had before. VolumeSilencer can remember the level you choose for each website. It also catches media added after the page loads, so the setting keeps working as you browse. No account, no analytics, no ads, and no backend. Your browsing activity and settings stay in your browser. VolumeSilencer works across Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Opera, and the source is open on GitHub. Turn down the page, not your whole day. Try VolumeSilencer from Wiplash Labs.